Welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into 20 crazy gadgets you can buy right now, featuring some of the most unique, creative, and unexpected tech available on the market. From futuristic everyday tools to clever problem-solving devices, each gadget brings something different to the table. Whether you're into smart home upgrades, portable innovations, or just love seeing unusual technology in action, this lineup is packed with interesting picks that show how fast modern gadgets are evolving and changing everyday life. Keeping track of meals usually becomes frustrating after a few days, especially when every snack and drink has to be entered manually. Grubsnap approaches the problem differently with a small AI-powered wearable that automatically captures meal photos throughout the day without needing constant interaction. Designed to be worn as a necklace or clip, the device focuses on recognizing food while filtering out unnecessary images in the background. The collected data is then organized through a companion mobile app that provides nutrition insights, eating patterns, and progress tracking. What makes the concept stand out is the hands-free experience, allowing users to focus on their daily routine while the AI handles meal logging automatically. Grubsnap also adds a gamified system to encourage healthier habits and consistency over time. It presents a modern approach to nutrition tracking by combining wearable technology, artificial intelligence, and convenience into one compact everyday device. Portable power technology keeps improving, and the Solly 300-watt solar power bank is built to support far more than simple phone charging needs. Built with a 20,000 mAh solid-state battery, this compact device combines a power bank, wall charger, and solar charging system into one travel-friendly package. It supports up to 300 watt output, making it capable of charging laptops, tablets, cameras, drones, and other everyday electronics while on the move. The built-in charging functionality also helps reduce the need for carrying multiple adapters and extra accessories during travel. Its solar charging support adds extra flexibility for outdoor trips, remote work setups, camping, and emergency backup situations where power outlets may not be available. With multiple fast charging ports and a durable portable design, the Solly focuses on convenience and versatility. It represents a modern, all-in-one charging solution created for people who rely heavily on portable power in daily life. MAVO Lumicurve brings a more advanced approach to everyday coffee brewing with features focused on precision and consistency. Designed for coffee enthusiasts, this smart scale can detect tiny weight changes during the brewing process, helping users measure coffee grounds, water flow, and extraction more accurately. It supports different brewing styles, including espresso and pour-over coffee, while offering tools that make preparation easier to manage. One of its most noticeable features is the curved rotating display, which improves screen visibility from different angles while brewing. The device also includes real-time flow rate tracking, built-in timers, and smart brewing modes that help maintain consistent results from cup to cup. A rechargeable battery and durable construction make it practical for everyday kitchen use as well. The MAVO Lumicurve demonstrates how modern brewing tools are becoming smarter, more user-friendly, and more focused on improving the overall coffee-making experience at home. Enabot EBO Air 2 is a compact AI-powered robot designed to help users stay connected with their homes, pets, and family members while away. Unlike traditional stationary cameras, this small rolling robot can move through different rooms, giving users a wider view of their surroundings with fewer blind spots. It features a sharp 2K camera for detailed monitoring and supports two-way communication through a companion mobile app. The built-in AI noise cancellation also helps make conversations sound clearer during remote interactions. Beyond home monitoring, the robot is designed to create more interactive experiences for families and pets through its mobile design and smart features. Its compact size allows it to move easily around furniture and tight spaces while remaining simple to control remotely. The Enabot EBO Air 2 offers an interesting look at how AI-powered robotics are becoming part of modern smart home technology and everyday digital communication. Boost Smart Water Bottle is designed to make daily hydration easier and more consistent through smart tracking technology and connected features. Built with a durable stainless steel body and double wall insulation, the bottle helps maintain drink temperatures for extended periods while supporting everyday use at work, school, travel, or fitness activities. What makes it different from a regular bottle is its ability to track water intake and connect with a companion mobile app. Users can monitor hydration progress, set personal goals, and receive reminders throughout the day to drink more water consistently. The smart notification system helps people stay focused on healthier habits even during busy routines. The companion app also stores hydration data and displays long-term progress over time. With BPA-free construction and practical everyday functionality, the Boost Smart Water Bottle demonstrates how modern technology is turning simple daily essentials into smarter and more interactive wellness-focused devices for everyday life. ACEGMET DTX10 digital tape measure combines the simplicity of a traditional measuring tape with modern digital technology to create a more convenient measuring experience. Designed for DIY projects, woodworking, construction work, and home renovations, this compact tool features a built-in digital display that shows measurements clearly in real time. The electronic readout helps reduce mistakes that can happen when reading standard tape markings, especially during detailed projects. It also supports multiple measurement units, allowing users to switch formats depending on the task. Despite its smart features, the device still keeps the familiar portable design of a regular tape measure, making it easy to carry in a pocket or toolbox. Its durable construction is built for everyday use while improving speed and accuracy during measurements. The ACEGMET DTX10 highlights how even common workshop tools are becoming smarter, more efficient, and better suited for modern work environments and creative projects. HiDock H1 is an AI-based productivity device created to simplify how meetings, lectures, and conversations are recorded and managed. It is built for professionals, students, and remote teams who need a more efficient way to capture important information. The device records audio and automatically converts spoken content into written text that can be searched later, helping users avoid manual note-taking during discussions. It also includes an AI summarization feature that quickly turns long recordings into short, clear highlights with key points and action items. With support for multiple languages, it can be used in international meetings and diverse work environments. The HiDock H1 is designed to fit into modern digital workflows, whether for online conferences, interviews, or classroom learning. By combining recording, transcription, and smart summaries, it reduces the effort needed for documentation and helps users stay focused on communication rather than writing everything down. ET's Camp Folding Stadium Seat is designed to improve comfort during long hours spent sitting outdoors at events, sports games, or camping trips. It provides a practical alternative to hard and uncomfortable bleachers by adding a padded surface and supportive backrest for better seating posture. This helps reduce discomfort during extended periods of use, especially in stadiums, outdoor concerts, or simple recreational activities. One of its main advantages is its foldable design, which allows it to be easily carried, stored, and transported without taking up much space. The lightweight structure makes it suitable for travel, while still offering enough support for regular outdoor seating needs. Unlike basic cushions, this seat combines padding, back support, and portability in a single design. It is made for people who frequently attend outdoor events and want a more comfortable sitting experience. Overall, it shows how simple gear upgrades can significantly improve everyday outdoor comfort and convenience. Bsigo Cute Cat Mug Set is a playful yet practical desk accessory designed to keep your favorite drinks warm for longer while adding a decorative touch to your space. It comes with a ceramic cat-themed mug, a matching lid, and a spoon, paired with an electric warming base that maintains beverage temperature throughout the day. The warmer includes multiple heat settings, allowing users to choose different temperature levels depending on their preference for coffee, tea, or milk. Its flat heating surface ensures even warmth distribution, helping prevent drinks from cooling too quickly. For added safety, the device features an automatic shut-off function that activates after several hours of use, reducing the risk of overheating. The compact and stylish cat design makes it suitable for home desks, office tables, or even as a gift option. Overall, it combines everyday usefulness with a fun aesthetic, turning a simple drink into a more enjoyable daily experience. Fitbit Ace LTE is a modern kids smartwatch designed to combine fitness tracking, communication, and interactive features in a single wearable device. Created for children around 7 years and older, it helps encourage daily activity while allowing parents to stay connected through controlled communication tools. The watch includes built-in 4G LTE support, enabling calling, messaging, and location sharing with approved contacts through a parent-managed app system. It is designed to operate within a safe and supervised environment rather than functioning as a full standalone phone. One of its standout features is activity-based gaming, where kids unlock rewards and in-game progress by completing physical movement goals like walking or running. It also includes a customizable virtual character that reacts to the child's activity levels. Additional features include GPS tracking, heart rate monitoring, and a school time mode to reduce distractions during learning hours. The device is built for durability and everyday use, making it suitable for active children. SPLACH Zippy Ultra is a modern 2-in-1 device designed to simplify how you charge and use your phone while on the move. It works as both a car phone mount and a detachable power bank, making it useful for drivers, commuters, and everyday mobile users. The system supports up to 15-watt wireless fast charging, allowing phones to power up without the need for cables, which helps keep the car interior clean and organized. Its modular design lets users easily detach the power unit and carry it separately for portable charging outside the vehicle. The mount includes a 360-degree adjustable ball joint, giving full flexibility to switch between portrait and landscape viewing modes. For added safety, it features strong grip clamps, silicone padding, and an adjustable arm that helps keep the phone stable and positioned at eye level during navigation. With its transparent, futuristic design, it combines practicality with a modern tech aesthetic in one compact solution. MILESEEY Horizon. Smart golf sunglasses are designed to bring real-time golf information directly into the player's field of view, creating a more focused and data-driven experience on the course. Built for modern golfers, these smart glasses use a micro-LED waveguide display that shows key details such as yardages, hazard distances, and scoring updates without needing a phone or handheld device. They support thousands of golf courses worldwide and provide essential information like front, center, and back green distances, along with hazard alerts to help with better decision-making during play. The system is designed for hands-free operation, allowing golfers to stay fully engaged in their swing while accessing information instantly through voice or touch controls. With a lightweight build of around 48 grams, the glasses are comfortable enough for long rounds. A smart charging case extends battery life, making them suitable for multiple sessions while also offering post-game analysis through a companion app for performance improvement. Ampax Powerbank is a modular portable charging device designed to offer more flexibility than traditional fixed power banks. Built around a 10,000 mAh system, it uses two removable 21700 lithium battery cells that can be swapped individually when needed. This means users can replace drained batteries instantly instead of waiting for the entire unit to recharge, making it more practical for continuous use. The power bank supports both USB-C and USB-A outputs, allowing two devices to charge at the same time. It also delivers up to 22.5 watt fast charging, making it suitable for smartphones, earbuds, cameras, and other USB-powered gadgets. Its modular design is especially useful for travel, outdoor trips, and emergency situations where power access is limited. By carrying extra charge cells, users can maintain uninterrupted energy without carrying multiple power banks. The Ampax power bank highlights a new direction in portable energy, focusing on replaceable power and greater convenience for everyday use. DEWALT Wearable Bluetooth Speaker is a compact clip-on audio device built for people who need hands-free sound while staying active on the job or outdoors. Designed for workers, cyclists, and field users, it delivers audio without the need for headphones or bulky speakers. The device connects via Bluetooth and allows a wireless range of up to 100 feet, so users can keep their phone in one place while moving freely. It also includes a built-in microphone for taking calls and simple controls for play, pause, and volume adjustment. Built with a lightweight ABS body, it is made to handle rough environments and daily wear. Its water-resistant design adds extra protection for outdoor use in light rain or dusty conditions. The battery supports up to around 10 hours of usage on a single charge, making it suitable for a full workday. Overall, it focuses on durability, convenience, and mobility, rather than high-end audio performance. Divoom MiniToo. Retro is a compact Bluetooth speaker that combines modern audio functionality with a nostalgic 90s-style pixel display. Designed for desk setups, bedrooms, and creative workspaces, it adds both sound and visual personality to any environment. The built-in 1.77-inch pixel screen can be fully customized through a companion app, allowing users to display animations, pixel art, clocks, messages, and various visual effects. This turns the device into more than just a speaker, making it a small interactive display for everyday use. It supports Bluetooth connectivity, along with USB and TF card playback, giving flexibility for different audio sources such as music, podcasts, or background sound. In addition to audio features, it includes useful tools like alarms, timers, white noise, and focus modes to support productivity. Its compact design is optimized for near-field listening, making it ideal for personal spaces. Overall, it blends retro aesthetics with modern smart features in a creative way. Xenvo Pro Lens Kit is a smartphone photography accessory designed to expand the capabilities of mobile cameras without requiring a professional setup. It includes two main lenses that attach easily to most smartphones using a universal clip system. The TrueView 0.45x wide-angle lens allows users to capture a broader field of view, making it suitable for landscapes, group photos, and travel shots where more detail needs to fit into a single frame. The Claris 15x macro lens is designed for extreme close-up photography, helping users capture fine details in subjects like textures, insects, jewelry, or food. The kit also comes with a rechargeable LED fill light that improves low-light photography by reducing shadows and enhancing clarity. Additional accessories include a durable clip, travel case, cleaning cloth, and lanyard for portability and convenience. Overall, it provides an easy and affordable way to upgrade smartphone photography with more flexibility and creative control. Owlnest Lume is a sleep-focused ambient lamp designed to transform how your room feels during nighttime hours. Instead of acting as a typical smart light, it is built to support a calmer environment using warm, low-blue amber lighting that helps the body naturally wind down before sleep. The lamp is tuned to a soft color temperature range of around 1500K to 1800K, creating a relaxing glow that reduces harsh brightness in the room. Its design is minimal and distraction-free, featuring a smooth silicone body, a wooden base, and simple button control without any apps, Wi-Fi, or screens. This keeps the experience focused only on lighting comfort. The device is also USB-C rechargeable, making it easy to use anywhere in the home without complex setup. Rather than tracking sleep or adding smart automation, it focuses on changing the room's atmosphere. Overall, it encourages a smoother transition from daytime activity to a more restful nighttime environment. COMANDI-EDC mechanical card holder is a modern everyday carry wallet built around a precision mechanical design that replaces traditional folding wallets with a more structured and tool-like system. Crafted from titanium alloy, it offers a strong yet lightweight body that resists bending and daily wear, while maintaining a slim profile for pocket carry. The holder is designed to securely store around 5 to 7 cards, keeping them locked in place for safety while still allowing quick access when needed. Its main highlight is the mechanical release system, which lets users slide or trigger a motion to fan out or eject cards in a controlled way for fast selection. This adds a satisfying tactile experience that feels closer to using a compact tool than a regular wallet. Some variations in this category may also include space for cash or modular add-ons, enhancing functionality. Overall, it focuses on combining durability, speed, and minimalist everyday carry design. Rolling Square Supertiny is an ultra-compact JAN wall charger designed to deliver high performance in a surprisingly small form factor. Designed for travel and minimal setups, it offers up to 65 watt power through a single USB-C port, supporting fast charging for phones, tablets, and laptops like MacBooks. Despite its powerful output, the charger is designed to be extremely portable, with a size that is close to everyday small accessories rather than traditional bulky adapters. It uses gallium nitride technology, which improves energy efficiency and reduces heat compared to older charging materials, allowing more power in less space. The device also supports global voltage input, making it convenient for international travel without needing additional converters. While it only supports one device at a time due to its single-port design, it focuses on delivering stable and efficient fast charging in a minimalist package. Overall, it reflects the trend of powerful yet pocket-sized charging solutions. VITURE Beast XR glasses are advanced wearable display glasses designed to transform smartphones, laptops, and gaming devices into a large private screen experience. Built for entertainment and productivity, they project a virtual display of up to 174 inches, giving users a cinema-like viewing experience in a compact wearable form. The system supports 1200p resolution with a 120Hz refresh rate, making visuals smooth and detailed during gaming or streaming. It uses Sony Micro OLED panels combined with high brightness optics reaching up to 1250 nits, helping maintain clear visibility even in bright environments. One of its key features is 3DoF spatial tracking, which allows the virtual screen to stay fixed in space or move with head motion depending on the mode. The glasses also include electrochromic tint control to adjust light filtering and improve comfort in different settings. With USB-C connectivity and built-in spatial audio, it creates a more immersive and portable viewing experience for modern users.